Hello YouTube! Welcome to another episode of my tip and trick series. Today I'll show you a technique how you can cut a stick with the wood saw very efficiently. At the end I'll show you a last little trick. Many people make the same mistake. If they want to cut the branch, they saw in the air like this. And it's always the same. After 2 strokes, forward and backward, you have already a groove, and this groove is about 2 mm deep. And when you want to continue to saw, and you are not stable here, the teeth of your saw will block into the groove. And that's why it doesn't work. If you want to saw efficiently, it's very important that you stabilize your stick as good as possible. And I'll show you now how this works. Place your branch on a flat, raised ground and block it with your foot. Because with your foot you have more power to press than with your hand, and your foot is protected through the shoe and your hand is naked. Then it's important that you press with your feet as close as possible by this edge, because if you press here you have no stability. And it's also important that you saw as close as possible by the edge. You saw here, you have also no stability. So, place the stick on the flat ground, stabilize it with your feet, and saw here. Don't saw like this out of your elbow, because like this you have no power and no control. If you want to cut like a pro, stabilize your stick with the feet, stretch your arm, and the movement comes out of your shoulder and your upper body, like this. You can compare it with pedaling on a boat. If you pedal like this, out of your elbows, you are quickly tired. But if you use your upper body like this, you can pedaling much longer. Now, the little trick for the end. Often, if you cut the branch, you have something like this. To avoid this, saw the stick, stop it before the last stroke, turn it a little bit and give the last stroke. And now you have a clean cut. If you are interested to learn more tricks with the Swiss Army knife, please visit my tips and tricks playlist. So, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Ciao.